Hello and welcome to Royal Success. Prince Harry faces criminal offense if he did lie on his US visa application. The Duke of Sussex risks losing his US visa after he did admit to taking illegal drugs in his memoir spare in January. Harry's US visa application is the subject of a legal contention between a conservative think tank and the Department of Homeland Security, as the latter has refused to release his records over privacy concerns. But if granted by the court to publicize his application, then the royal risk facing perjury if it's shown that he lied about drug use. The Duke of Sussex Prince Harry admitted in his memoir spare that he took cannabis, magic mushrooms, cocaine during his partying days. It is unclear if he did mention his past drug use when he was applying for entry into the United States, but the Heritage Foundation is determined to finding out if he lied on his application or he told the truth but was given special treatment because he is royalty. The foundation argued in court that Prince Harry's visa application is now a matter of public interest after he candidly talked about his drug use in spare. Nye Gardner, director of Heritage Foundation's Thatcher Center for Freedom, said he was there during the first federal court hearing in Washington, D.C., and that it was a 75-minute hearing, very detailed, and federal judge is treating this case very seriously, he said. He told Newsweek.com that this is 100% possible that they could win the case, he explained. I do think that the Heritage Foundation has a very good chance of winning this case because this is a matter of transparency and accountability. It goes to the heart of whether immigration law is being applied and enforced by US authorities to everyone. And so there's big issues at stake here, and the Biden administration has been very dismissive in its approach. Gardner claimed the stakes are very high for Harry if the Department of Homeland Security loses and his records are released. He called it telling in a way that President Joe Biden's administration is doing all it can to stop that from happening. He said of the royals' visa application that if it's revealed you lied on a federal form, that is perjury, and that's a criminal offense, a serious one. And so so it's very high stake case. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection, the CBP, has done since denied the Heritage Foundation access to Harry's visa application, citing privacy concerns in a letter to the foundation filed as evidence at federal court in D.C. The office reasoned that the group did not provide sufficient public interest to outweigh the Duke of Sussex's right of privacy concerning his entry and exit records. So guys, with that, we have come to an end of this episode. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, endeavor to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.